This is the National Weather Service office in Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of... Oh, fuck it. No one clearly cares about the damn test. The only people who care are EAS enthusiasts, especially a crackhead male from Spruce motherfucking Pine in Mitchell County, North Carolina who has a fetish for Davidson, Cabarrus, in Tennessee. Why he has these weird-ass fetishes we here at the office have no idea, but compared to foot fetishes they sound so much better and appealing. Back to the test which we were supposed to do. Fuck it, it's gonna be done here. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio, All Hazards Tone Alert test. Go subscribe to Clay Ranger 143.